Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region at the top. So here we've got the list of all currently applied languages, so let's tap on add language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I will pick Turkish, and just tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to change the language, so just tap on change. Alright, as you can see, the Turkish language, in my case, simply appeared at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me go back and check, and as you can see, we've got everything, and I'm not sure if I'm tapping on the right thing. No. Alright, so I believe here. Yes, here we've got it. All right, so I just wanted to show you that if you've got more than one language added here, so like in my case the Turkish and English, you can quickly change them just by reordering the languages. So just tap on the other language and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And your device will, as you can see, change the language. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on delete and mark the language you'd like to remove. Tap on remove, confirm it with OK. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.